Are there any tax benefits to using a transfer on death deed? Have you ever wondered if a transfer on death deed could save you money on taxes? This is a great question, especially when considering estate planning and the probate process. A transfer on death deed allows real property to pass directly to a designated beneficiary when the owner passes away. This transfer happens outside of probate, which can lead to some tax benefits worth discussing. First, let's talk about avoiding probate taxes and costs. Since the property transfers directly to the beneficiary, the estate may escape probate-related taxes and fees. These costs can add up quickly, so avoiding them can save both time and money for the estate and its beneficiaries. Next, there's the stepped-up basis for capital gains tax purposes. When the property is transferred via a transfer on death deed, the beneficiary typically receives a new tax basis equal to the fair market value at the date of the owner's death. This is important because, if the beneficiary sells the property later, capital gains tax is calculated based on this stepped-up basis. This often means lower or even no capital gains tax, compared to if the property was gifted during the owner's lifetime, where the original cost basis would apply. Another benefit is that there are no immediate gift tax consequences. Since the transfer occurs at death, it avoids the gift tax implications that would be present if the property were given away while the owner is still alive. This can be a significant advantage for estate planning. From an elder law perspective, a transfer on death deed can also play a role in Medicaid planning. The property remains in the owner's name during their lifetime, which means it does not affect Medicaid eligibility. This can help preserve benefits while still allowing for a smooth transfer upon death. However, it is important to note that the property transferred via transfer on death deed is included in the decedent's estate for estate tax purposes. While probate may be avoided, estate taxes could still apply if the estate exceeds certain thresholds. Most estates do not owe federal estate tax due to high exemption limits, but state estate or inheritance taxes may still be relevant depending on where you live. Lastly, the flexibility and revocability of a transfer on death deed are worth mentioning. The grantor retains full control over the property during their lifetime and can change or revoke the deed at any time. This flexibility can be beneficial as circumstances change. In summary, the main tax benefits of a transfer on death deed include avoiding probate taxes and fees, preserving the stepped-up basis for capital gains tax, and providing flexibility in estate planning. However, estate taxes may still apply based on the size of the estate and state laws. This makes the transfer on death deed a useful tool in estate planning, simplifying asset transfer and potentially reducing tax liabilities for heirs.